How to animate still images just like video games. Like this look awesome, and I got this idea by looking at this home screen. I made various animations using this trick. You may also notice these in my timeline videos. And you guys flooded my comment section. So let's begin with the tutorial. So at first, here I will animate this cloth and this thing. First you need to do is to import any image into After Effects. Now create a composition using this image. Now we have to separate the background and the character. So we will go to ChatGPT. I said I will not use any AI, so leave ChatGPT. I will tell you later. So at first, duplicate your layer. Click on this pen tool and start to mask out the character. For this, you need to be very precise for better result. Here I need to separate this cloth also, so we will exclude the cloth from the selection. So we will undo some selection and exclude the cloth for now. Now if you see this, here are some space left to remove, so we will draw another mask around here. Press M to open mask and set the mode of second mask to subtract. Now this is how it looks. Now again duplicate the background layer and hide other. Now draw a mask around this cloth area for animation. Now hide all layers and select the background. We need to remove the person from the frame. So we will make a mask using pen tool. Now we have to make a rough mask like I do. Press M to open mask and check on this invert mask option. Now press F to open feather and set the feather to 8 pixels. Now here you will see content aware fill option highlighting the blank area to be filled. If you can't see this, just go to the window and check on this content aware fill option. Now select the fill method to object. Check on the lighting correction and click generate fill layer. This will take some time in analyzing and rendering the frames. Now this is what it generates. We need only a rough fill, so it's okay. Now I will animate the cloth first. So we will tap on this puppet pin icon and click on the very top of the selection. And also click on the bottom. Now there you will see 2 yellow dots. Now press U to reveal keyframes. Click on both stopwatch to remove the keyframe. Go to the first frame. Click on the puppet pin to stopwatch to add a keyframe. Then go to somewhere around 2 frames. Actually increase the length of the composition first. Just right click on the composition and increase the duration. Now go to somewhere around 2 seconds. Move this yellow dot a little bit. Don't overdo it, this will make your animation worst. Select all, press F9 to easy ease. Also select all layers and stretch it to the very end of the composition. Here you will see you can't stretch the fill layer. To fix this, select the fill layer and pre-compose. Rename it as fill. Tap on this button and press OK. Now press Ctrl Alt T to open time remap. Hold Alt and click on the stopwatch and write this expression. Now select the cloth layer. Press U to reveal keyframes. Hold Alt and hit the stopwatch and write this expression. This will loop the animation till infinity. Now to animate the body, carefully place the pin where I do. Like we need to animate the hand, this cloth area, head. Before that, let's animate her hair first. Duplicate the layer and pre-compose. Rename it as hairs. Now take the pen tool and draw a rough mask like me around the hairs. Press F to open feather and increase the value to 15. Close the background layer. You can increase or decrease the value as you need. Now search for turbulence displays and add it to the hairs. Set the size to 5 and amount to 15. Hold Alt and hit the stopwatch and write this expression. Now select both and pre-compose. Now place the pin as I do, one for the head, one for the back, another one for the shoulder, and for others. I'll place the preview here, will be easy to explain. Now press U to reveal keyframes. Go to somewhere around 2 seconds. Carefully move the yellow dots as I do. Just in case you don't see those, click on this mesh or puppet below the layer. Just move it a little bit only. Now animate the shoulder as I do. And slightly move the pins to make a smooth natural movements. After you have done, remove the unnecessary keyframes as we don't need it anymore. Select all, press F9 to easy ease them, hold Alt and hit the stopwatch and write this expression. Also select all, Ctrl C to copy and paste it on all the keyframes. Now take a null layer, parent all the layers to the null, press S to open scale and set the value of scale to 105. Now press P to open position, hold Alt and hit the stopwatch and write this wiggle expression. This will add some more movement and you are all done. And I was using ChatGPT to use this prompt and remove the background easily. And the person too, so this will speed up the workflow. So I have showed you all the way to do that. This prompt will give the PNG output and this prompt will remove the person from the frame. If you got any issues regarding this, you can message me on my Instagram. Thanks for watching.